every single day. As Mark Knopfler once sang in Boom Like That. The song inspired by McDonald's founder Ray Kroc, the story of McDonald's is really the story of bold ideas multiplying across the world, one neighborhood at a time. In a sense, Hyderabad has followed a similar path. Ours too is a story of transformation. From a historic city of rocks, lakes, and parks to a global hub of data, design, and decision making. Both McDonald's and Hyderabad have proved that with the clarity of purpose, one can serve not just a city or a country, but the whole world. When we look at the sweep of India's development story, one cannot forget Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's, the first Prime Minister of this country's vision. He built the foundation of a modern India, the great public institutions, the scientific temple, and the belief that progress must be anchored in knowledge. It was this early investment that gave Hyderabad its enduring strength. The CCMB, the University of Hyderabad, the BHL plant, the UCL campus, and our public other undertakings have become backbone for the growth of the entire city. All born from the same Nehruian vision of building India through institutions. France, decades later, Dr. Manmohan Singh, as finance minister and later prime minister, deepened that our vision by engaging India with the world prudently, confidently, and with compassion. He reminded us that economic reform is not just about market, but about creating opportunity with dignity. That approach, growth with equity, ambition with inclusion, is what guides Telangana's own journey today. The new Global Capability Center of McDonald's, part of a larger phenomenon reshaping the world economy. In the last 2 decades, Hyderabad has become the capital of such centers. Multiple global capability hubs now operate here in Hyderabad. Each one is a testament to trust in our talent, confidence in our governance, and faith in our future. These centers are not mere back offices. They are now centers of global innovation. They connect Chicago to Charminar, Boston to Banjara Hills, and London to Lingampalli of Hyderabad. Turning Hyderabad into a global command room where decisions are taken that shape markets and experience across the continents. That's how today the Hyderabad is rising, Telangana is rising. In that sense, we do identify the story of McDonald's and hope to emulate it for the foreseeable future. McDonald's has always been more than a business. It has been a symbol of optimism, of people coming together over a meal, of shared human experience. Today, this global capability center, the spirit finds a new expression, one powered by Hyderabad's engineers, analysts, and innovators. When the first McDonald's opened, the world was emerging from a difficult time, searching for comfort and connection. Today, the world is again redefining globalization from trade routes to digital networks. And just as McDonald's has reimagined its supply chains, sustainability, and digital experience, Hyderabad too is reimagining itself as a city where technology and empathy walk hand in hand. I am also happy to learn that McDonald's will collaborate with us on skill development and employment for Telangana's youth. This partnership ensures the global capability translated into local opportunity. It measures that behind every new algorithm or business model, there is a story of human growth of a young professional, a first generation graduate, a dream realized. And let me also acknowledge the compassionate side of McDonald's through Ronald McDonald House Charities, which are care for children and families in their moments of need. That spirit of giving back mirrors Telangana's own philosophy that development must have a human face. Friends, this new McDonald's Center is more than an addition to Hyderabad's skyline. It is a symbol of India's confidence, of Telangana's capability, and how global enterprise and local talent can build something greater than either could alone. To the McDonald's family, I say, Hyderabad is not just your office, it is your partner. Together, let us build a model where the world's best ideas find a home in India's most dynamic city, that's Hyderabad. And yes, we celebrate this occasion. I promise to uphold tradition in the simplest, happiest way possible by having a burger for dinner tonight. Thank you. Thank you.